guys, so today I decided to go take the kids hiking. We are going to be doing Cooper Mountain Trail. It's not a very long trail, it's only like 2.6, and figured it was going to be a beautiful day, why not take them outside? And so far it's open. See Cooper Mountain Nature House, and they got restrooms, and the trailhead is up that way. Look at that view at the distance. Yeah.
You can put this in your hair.
Oh, thank you. Let me see. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm taking a picture of them while standing on this rock.
Look,
Look, there's paw prints. Look at that.
and it leads all the way.
I wonder where does it go?
I don't know if it's a trail of paws.
Oh, it stops right there. Oh, it must have went into the bushes.
Snake.
You think it was a snake? What kind of animal do you think makes that kind of paw print?
I'm thinking like a little bear.
Maybe a bear?
A bear cub? Maybe?
Let's see. Let me think.
What kind of animal do you think it is, Izzy?
Oh, I found a bear paw. I know what a bear paw looks like.
Yep.
That's a bear paw right there. Oh, and it looks like it shows its claws too. Like,
Yeah. Oh, there's
That's
some
babies.
tiny print. Do you think that's a baby bear?
Yeah.
It is a baby bear? Wow, you're so smart, Izzy. Wow. Yeah, they're tiny. So they got picnic tables here that you can sit down and enjoy a picnic while your kids can play in the playground. But of course the playground is closed because of the COVID-19.
we could eat.
We got a sandbox. What a beautiful day. All right, let's see. Welcome to Cooper Mountain Nature Park. And then they got a map here. So we can do the little prairie loop. There's the Overlook Trail. They got a pond up here, the Cooper Mountain Loop. So yeah, you can definitely like do this whole entire loop if you wanted.
Cougar.
Okay, so let's go this way. There are more paws. So we're definitely going to see a lot of paws going through here. Kind of cute though to see if the kids are going to be able to recognize what kind of paws and what kind of animal they come from. So far this is a cool little nature park. It's awesome. So we're going to do the loop and just kind of take our time and just enjoy this really nice day of being outside. Look at all the pine cones on these trees, guys. They look like pine cones, or are they something different? Actually, no.
Idea.
It looks like a
type of thing.
Look at that. It looks like a flower.
I've never seen these type of things.
Huh, I don't know what those are.
I think
Aiden?
it's a dried up earthworm.
Oh, that's an earthworm?
Yeah.
Oh, really weird.
It needs water to survive.
Okay, so you can definitely do the prairie loop this way. Either way, it's going to come out. To Cooper Mountain Loop is to the right, and then to Blackway Trail is to the left. Okay, so we decided to go left. Either way, we're going to do this whole loop, and if I'm correct, we should be coming out this way. I know the other kids needed to get out. They've been cooped up in the house just because of this COVID-19. So it's kind of nice that some trails are still open, but they're really hard to find because you don't know what's open and you don't know what's closed still. I know Washington State was supposed to open up again on May 5th to open up all the trails and the parks, but now they extended it, so they won't open then. I am really getting sick and tired of this COVID-19. I'm ready for things to go back to normal and just, yeah, I'm so done with this virus. That is such a good picture, guys. Okay. That's pretty cool. About the western gray squirrel. See? And that's what the gray squirrel looks like.
Gray squirrel.
Yeah.
So he's up in these trees?
Yeah, you might be able to see one if you look way up high. This is some really awesome, like, little hikes in the city, but it feels like you're in the forest. And it's really kid-friendly. I know dogs are not allowed here, but this would be an awesome trail too for dogs. But I know they don't allow pets on this trail. But this trail is very doable for kids, easy to do, very beginner level. Fine. This would look like a cool camping spot, huh? Okay, let's continue on the loop.
Just take a picture of the stick. He wants to have her.
He does? Okay, let's take a picture of it. Alrighty. Andrew and Aiden always like to go up ahead. I'm trying to teach them that they need to learn how to stay close for safety purposes. I mean, this is a trail where I know I really don't have to worry about any cliffs or the trail being narrow or very dangerous. This is a very easy trail, so I know they can be up a little ahead of me and I have no worries, but I just don't want them to go too far. I always like them at least within my sight. Not that I have to worry about anything here or any dangerous animals too, but it's kind of nice. See all the moss on the trees, and this part is like really green. It's beautiful through here. The sun's coming through the trees. It's definitely going to warm up. It's still a little bit chilly right now because it's still early in the morning, but it will warm up. We're gonna go down there, which looks like a little lookout sitting area. Yeah, there's that mushroom. Don't know if it's poisonous or not. Hi, Aiden.
You know what it looks like? In those low-looking blowhorns on one of those old records.
Oh yeah, that's what it looks like, huh? Oh, it's nice and cool through here just because of the shade. It's all really smooth and people wrote stuff on it.
It looks like it has a grandma face.
Wow, look at that. So cool.
Yeah. Oh, so
How awesome is that?
look at that. It looks like it has a winking, funny face.
Yeah. That's a beautiful view. You can see the houses in the distance. Okay, so what we're going to be doing first is our trail would continue to go this way, but this way is going to be the Larkspur Loop. It's very short. We're just going to go that way, and then it's going to turn us right back around to continue on our original trail. So we're just doing the whole entire loop today, which, you know, we got all day to enjoy this beautiful day and just spend it outside in nature. I mean, it's the best way to go. I can take a deep breath and it's like, oh, the smell of spring and summer. You guys know what kind of smell I'm talking about? Oh, I love that smell. It smells so good. I mean, I could so live out the rest of my life and just hike and live on the road and just, you know, I could tell my little heart's content. I would love to do that. Someday I will. Gotta wait for my kids to grow up a little bit though before I do that. But yes, what a beautiful day, guys. This is such a really awesome little hike. If you guys are in the Oregon area, come and definitely check it out. It's beautiful here. I don't see no ducks in this pond at all. Nothing. Oh, there is a duck.
It looks like it's sleeping.
He's right there.
Over here.
He's sleeping, but there he is.
Do you see him?
Oh, how cute. He looks after his sister.
Yellow.
Look at all those beautiful purple flowers. Done half of the loop already. So we just got a half more to do and then we'll be done for the day. We're definitely finding a lot of bugs throughout the trail. A lot of beautiful flowers they can look at. See, our trail's continuing to go around that way. What do you think of this hike so far?
Good.
It's pretty easy, huh? Compared to the last hike we did? Yeah.
I'm not doing that hike again.
Yeah, Raven won't go on a hard hike anymore. But you know what? At least we can say that we can rope climb. What'd you find, Aiden?
I'm not gonna just relax it.
You're just relaxing?
Yeah,
What's that?
especially if I'm slipping a bit.
Yeah. What are you drawing? A
Heart.
heart? Oh, that's so sweet.
And so look, I looked Mom.
Oh, that's so sweet, Izzy. Thank you.
I said me and sis and mom.
Oh, thank you guys. You guys are so sweet. That's a cool angel heart. I promised the kids McDonald's after this. Gonna go take them out and take some lunch with them and just treat them for the day because I know they need it. I know they've been cooped up inside this house just because of this COVID-19, and when I get a chance I try to get to do things with them. Just spend some one-on-one time with my kids and, you know, just create those special memories with them. I would definitely be doing a lot more hiking if it wasn't for this COVID-19 and all these parks are shut down, but I think some of them are gradually starting to open, so it's a good thing. We can definitely do a lot more. Look, Aiden found an acorn. And the squirrel didn't get to it yet. Maybe you can find a squirrel and feed it to it.
Mm-hmm.
A roly-poly.
A roly-poly.
Be careful not to squish it.
Yeah. Okay. Restoring a rare and wild beauty. Oh, is somebody carrying you? Okay, so we're still walking. We're almost done with this trail. This trail's pretty busy. There's a lot of people here. Put your ear on it so you can listen.
I'm gonna make sure there's.
On it and see if you can hear anything.
Ah!
We're gonna stop and sit on this bench right here. Just take a breather. It's a beautiful view though of what I'm looking at. I'll show you guys. Yeah, look at that view. It's really beautiful. Fire renews the prairie. Look at that worm.
Who wants to pick it up?
Yeah.
Those are big ones.
Go ahead and hold it, Isabel.
I wanna hold it. It's just Anna's.
Here. Ew. Here. Ew. He's slimy. Ew.
Can I hold it again?
I can hold it because it's about to fall.
So we're coming up to another bridge. I don't know if it's the same one, but let's see. Check it out, guys. That bridge. I don't know if it's the same one or if it's a different one. But we're almost to the car. The breeze feels so good. This place is crowded though. There is a lot of people here.
Yeah, this is the same bridge.
It does look like the same bridge. So yeah, so we're almost to the car, and overall this has been a really nice hike for all of us.
It's beautiful.
To get out and about. It's a beautiful day. The breeze feels good. It would be better if it wasn't so crowded, but hey, everybody else feels the same way I do. Everybody feels cooped up. So everybody's trying to get out and about right now. Oh, what a nice day. So this area, I mean, you can go that way to a different part of the trail, part of this loop. We just came from that way. So this area has a whole bunch of different little loops that I showed you guys on the map. But we're going to continue to go this way to go back to the car. I see the barn up ahead, way right there. That's the barn where we parked at. We're here taking a rest. Let's see, what does this say? Connecting natural areas. Looks like the sun is going away. But look at that beautiful view at the distance. There's the parking lot. That was a pretty easy hike. 2.6 mile round trip. Not bad. You can make it longer if you want. So that is the end of this hike, guys. Thank you for joining me on this hike today. It was such a beautiful day to get out and about, and we will see you guys on the next one.